Don't worry about it. Say, do it. Tree foo. Say, go. Don't worry. Say, don't worry about it. Go. Go like this. Don't worry about it.
Go.
Tree foo. Go like this, Cindy.
Go.
Don't worry about it. Say it. Tree foo. Go like this. Don't worry about it. Say, I'm strong man. Oh, he's not doing it. You're doing tree foo? Tree foo. Go. It's this new cartoon. And they have a little guy doing this little tree foo. Okay, and say, don't worry about it. I'm a strong man. Of course, he does it all the time, and now he's not doing it. He goes, don't worry about it. I'm a strong man. Huh. Oh, you what? Someone's really tired and he refuses to take naps. And he's got ice cream on his face. The reason why he's ice cream, it's 3 o'clock and can't take a nap, so you gotta keep him up on the nap. After nap, he always after his nap gets something sweet, huh? And what did you take? A 10-minute nap? Say, totally, dude.
Totally, dude.
Say, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
I'm a strong man.
I'm a man. I'm a man.
Say, hey, toots.
Hey, toot. Hey, toot.
Say something. What do you want to say?
Oh.
Oh. Someone's hair. What are you doing? You're getting excited? No, literally, he had like a 25-minute nap.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, say bye.